In ANSYS 19, Discovery SpaceClaim is full of enhancements making it easier and faster to concept model or optimize your existing designs. Starting with the blend tool, we've made it easier to influence the curvature of blends. A new centerline option lets you add further control to a shape, but it doesn't need to be perfectly centered to work. It's more forgiving and gets you a concept model faster. We've added a new assembly tab in the ribbon bar, now with assembly configurations and improvements to exploded views. Multiple explode operations get you exactly what you want when needing to show internal details of an assembly or how components fit together. You can set the distance of separation in explodes and can add trace lines that are associative to the components. All these enhancements make it easier to visually communicate ideas in a shorter amount of time. A new sheet metal corner treatment option shows you corner treatments where they matter on 2D flat pattern drawings when a 3D representation is too complex to create or is inconsequential. We've also included an option to display bend lines, making it easier to toggle the exact location of bend lines on flat patterns. A new visibility option lets you inverse visibility of all bodies. This makes it much faster to view only bodies you want to see in a given moment. Another visibility improvement we now added is the ability to hide faces. Now it's easier to model inside of SpaceClaim without the need for a specific orientation. All these commands are of course available as customizable keyboard shortcuts, making all these enhancements even more accessible. And finally, for SpaceClaim users integrating to other ANSYS products, we've made several improvements to shared topology, robustness and visibility being two of them. Toggle obscured edges on or off, or change the display and color of specific shared types, like double or triple shared edges. These shared topology improvements help you identify areas of concern much quicker than before. To learn more about this release and other enhancements, please visit ansys.com/spaceclaim.